I was walking through the shadows, trying to find my way alone, chasing all the wrong directions, far away from home. But your voice called through the silence, like a light that broke the night. You showed me there's a better way. You opened up my eyes. Every step, every fall, you were there through it all. Now my heart finally sees your love is all I need. I'm turning back to you, changing my direction, leaving all my fears behind. Find a new redemption. You lifted up my soul and gave my life new meaning. Now I know your grace can heal every broken feeling low. I'm turning back to you. You took all my confusion and turned it into peace. The weight I used to carry, you gently set me free. Now each day is a reminder that your plans are always true. A brand new life begins the moment I choose you. When I was lost, you found me. When I was weak, you stayed. Your love keeps leading me. I'll never be the same. I'm turning back to you. With every breath I'm taking, no more running from your love. My heart is finally changing through every high and low. Your mercy still surrounds me. Now I walk a different road because your grace has found me, Lord. I'm turning back to you.